Oh, what is for dinner, YouTube? Looks like we're gonna have some tatsoi. I'm not gonna harvest all this. This side over here actually starting to go to flower and then seed. I'm gonna let that so I don't have to buy any for next year. But today, this is what's for dinner. I'm not gonna pull the whole thing up because we're gonna come again after we cut. Hey! That dog. I'm thinking stir fry. Nice scent to it. I heard this is like spinach, but that's a nice bouquet right there. I'll grab a little bit more. Nice set dinner. Come on, boy, let's go.